guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about 5 important English vocabulary words. So let's begin. These are the 5 important English vocabulary words that we will use in our daily life. So first one is abnormal. Abnormal. Abnormal means what? It's not normal. Not normal. Instead of we are using in our everyday life not normal, not normal. Instead of using not normal, we will use an excellent English vocabulary word that is abnormal. 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 Meaning not normal. Second English vocabulary word is specify. Specify means what? Calm. Specify means calm. Instead of if we will use calm to calm down, sit for a while and calm down. This is the example. Instead of using calm down, it's a common word. If you want to use easy English vocabulary word, we will use instead of calm, pacify. Pacify. P-A-C-I-F-Y. Pacify. That is calm. Next, third vocabulary word is query. Query. Meaning is what? Query means question. Suppose if we have to use, we are using in our daily life common English word question. What is the question? What is the question? This we will use. Commonly we will use this English word. So if you want to use an English excellent vocabulary word, you will use what is the query? Means what is the question? If you have any query, tell me. This is the common English vocabulary word we will use in our daily life. That is query means question. Query spelling Q-U-E-R-Y. Query. And that's meaning is question. That is Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N. Question. And the fourth vocabulary word is Q. Q. Meaning is what? Line. Q meaning is what? Line. Line means example is what? If you are making any standing in one line, all together in standing in one line, then that is a common English word we are using in our daily life. Stand in a line. So if you wanted to use an English vocabulary word, then you will use instead of line, that is Q. Q means line, make a line, make a queue, form a queue, means form a line. These are the examples for the queue. That is excellent English vocabulary word we are using is queue. Q-U-E-U-E, that is a spelling, Q spelling. Line, that is a common word and meaning of the queue, that is L-I-N-E, line. And the next fifth vocabulary word is quiet. Quiet. Quiet means no noise. Quiet means what? Not making any noise. Just calmly sitting. That is quiet. This quiet we are using generally. This is also a common English vocabulary word we are using in our daily life. So instead of we are using don't make noise, then we will use a excellent English vocabulary word that is be quiet. Means don't make any noise. Instead of using that, we will tell be quiet. Spelling Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. Meaning no noise. N-O-I-S-E. Don't make any noise. That is quiet. So these are the basic English vocabulary words we will use in our daily life. That is, first one is abnormal, means not normal. Pacify, that is calm. Query means question. Cue means line. Quiet means no noise. These are the 5 important English vocabulary words we will use in our daily life. If you like my video and if you wanted to learn more English vocabulary words and common English words, please like my video, share and also share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, guys.